Alright guys, because WepTech Academy love it so much, how do you save your picture in the best quality? Or if you save the normal style, because to save a picture normally is to come to file, come to save or save as, then you just click on this PSD, click to JPEG. That is how they save. But now, how do you save it in a lesser, how do you compress and save it lesser size but best quality? This is how I do it. I click on Ctrl Alt Shift S. Then when it's here, you come here, you can click on PNG. If you don't want PNG, you can click on JPEG. Then you click on save. When you click on save, you have to choose where you wanna save it. Write the name, hit enter, and that is it. You have been able to save it in the best of the quality, less file and other stuff. So you are good to go.